Alright, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a while. I have been coming on screen like this only, like with no makeup on. But today's video is going to be a makeup video. So I am going to recreate a look. Actually, this is not a recreation, I'll say. I just saw Saini Gupta. I don't know if you know her or not. I'm just going to include a picture of hers, and then she did this Indian makeup. It was looking so good. It is really effortless, but it was looking very good. So I thought, why not do this on my YouTube, because I think you guys love watching videos which are really helpful for you all in practical life. So yeah, I'm going to do that only. And if you don't want to miss updates on my life, because I don't do vlogs generally, but I post a lot on my Instagram, whatever I'm cooking or whatever I'm doing, so you can go and follow me there for all the life updates. So yes, now without any further ado, let's get started. I think that I would do this a chat through video, because then it takes a lot of time to do a chat through video. But then I thought it's been long, we should make a video where we are chatting as well. So yeah, I suppose this is the one, but I'm going to be super quick this time because I don't want to waste a lot of time. So what I saw was her skin was looking really good. It was looking really hydrated, it wasn't looking dehydrated, and she had nice contour on. And now I remember I don't get my contour in this bag, so I have to get up and get my contour again, but I'll get up later on. Because I have this mic, you know, attached here, so bar utna is a pain in my ass. Anyways guys, I have already moisturized, तो अब मैं यूज़ करूँगी ये वाला मॉइस्चराइज़र. ये शुगर का ब्लिंग लीडर इल्यूमिनेटिंग मॉइस्चराइज़र है. और वैसे तो मैंने मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा रखा है, बट मैं फिर भी इसको लगाऊंगी. एंड अगर आपने इसका रिव्यू नहीं चेकआउट किया, आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट एंड यू मस्ट गो एंड चेक दैट आउट. सो अभी रिसेंटली ही किया था मैंने शुगर. आई डिड अ शुगर फर्स्ट impression kind of thing, where I tried out their new products, and you guys seemed to love that video. Thank you so much for all the love on that video. Even if 100 people watch my video, I become really happy. Competition is so much, कुछ कर नहीं सकते. या तो मैंने इसको लगा लिया. आप देख रहे हैं कितना अच्छा सा एक ग्लो मुझे मिलता है इसको लगाने के बाद. रियली लव दैट ग्लो. ठीक है, तो इसको लगा लिया. Now the catch was that instead of using the foundation first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use two concealers. I have two concealer here with me. One is of my skin tone, even a little bit darker than me, and then a thoda sa brightening sa concealer hai. So this one is from Maybelline Amazing Concealer again, and this is by the brand Swiss Beauty. Again, ye bhi bahut acha hai. I have been using these two constantly. You must have seen that. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज़ कि जहाँ जहाँ मुझे ना डार्कनेस की दिक्कत है, जैसे अराउंड माई माउथ, ठीक है, यू कैन सी ना ये थोड़ा सा डार्क है मेरे स्किन टोन से. एंड यहाँ पे मेरे अंडर आइज पे जहाँ जहाँ मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे पिगमेंटेशन है, मैं इसको ना वहाँ लगा लूँगी. या एंड विद दिस ओनली आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू टेक माई फिटमी वन. तो फिटमी को मैं बिल्कुल इधर लगाऊंगी. एक्चुअली ये बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राइटनिंग तो नहीं है, बट स्टिल इट गिव्स अ गुड ब्राइटनिंग इफेक्ट. ठीक है, यू मिस नहीं करेंगे बस टू डू दैट, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दिस मेकअप लुक वेरी अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर समर्स ऑल्सो. अगर आपको बाहर जाना पड़ गया, सो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू. सो आप इस मेकअप लुक को बहुत ही ईजिली अचीव कर सकते हैं. That glow. ठीक है, you can see ना, this glow is so unreal, so healthy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Maybelline concealer again, and मैं फिर से थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट कर लूँगी अपने. Alright, so I have applied those two things on my face. Now I'm going to apply a face powder. थोड़ा सा सेट कर लूँगी, not a lot but then a little bit, I have to set a little bit. Coming to the eyes, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this particular shade from this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick palette. This is in the shade 02. Yes, so I'm going to pick this one, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it on my eyelids, because she was also, she did the same technique, and I thought let me do the same technique as well, because it was looking really good on her skin tone, and as you know, she is dusky beauty, and then it looks really good on everyone who have a dusky skin tone. Even if you have darker skin tone than me, this makeup is for everybody. Like, it's not very specific. If you want to blend a little, you can use your fingers only, because that is the thing here. You don't have to have so many brushes. बहुत सारे brushes की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Yeah. So I'm going to take eye kajal, and this is the most interesting part of this look that I really loved. So you have to apply a thick kajal, here, like not on your waterline but under your waterline. और मैं इसको स्मच करते हुए एक बड़ा सा नीचे विंग बनाऊंगी. Now if you want, you can obviously darken your kajal once again. Now I'll also apply on my upper waterline. Yeah, so I'm going to come back after doing this particular eye, and then I'll tell you. Alright guys, so next I'm going to use this mascara after doing my eyes. As you can see, they are looking pretty nice. And what I think is that you don't need a contour with this particular eye look, because it already looks so dark. But if you like, you can do. I'll contour my face using my blush. Yeah, so this is how it is looking like. Looks really good. अभी मुझे पता लगा that I haven't done my eyebrows. That's why it's not looking very aesthetic. So yeah, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Now coming to the blush, I'm going to use the Color Bar blush. This is one of my favorite. This is in the shade Bronzing Glaze, and I'm going to use the same stippling brush by Nykaa. Now this blush is really pigmented, so you need to be really careful while using this. Now she used a liquid blush, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use my powder blush, because I really like the color of this blush. Makes me look so beautiful also. So it's all about bringing your features, your color, your skin tone together. Looks really good on dusky skin tone. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter, because what's life without highlighter, right? So the main aim is to keep it very subtle and natural. So not too much of highlighting or anything, but only a little. Now obviously I'm going to set all of this using the Shine Style makeup setting spray. This instantly feels so better. Okay, till the time it is drying, we are going to use the lipstick, and I'm going to take off all the lip balm. Now I'm going to use this Nykaa. This is their Luxe Matte lipstick. This is in the shade Truthful, and it is a very neutral shade, and I love applying neutral shade with heavy eyes. This look looks so beautiful, I can't tell you. Alright guys, I'll be back. This is what my makeup looks like. I am stunned. by this makeup look. It looks so pretty on my skin. You can see my skin looks so illuminated. It is not oily, it is just illuminating from within. Looks super duper great. Yeah, so this is very good if you have any party to attend, or in general also. It looks really pretty and it looks skin like. By the way, I don't know, in camera it is looking too shiny, but if I see in real life it looks super duper pretty. And plus the fact is we haven't used any foundation in this look, so this is foundation free look, not heavy, not cakey whatsoever. It looks so duper super duper glowy. Now if you don't like this much of glow, you can obviously take your compact and throw a little compact here. Yeah, because my this area is really sweaty. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I stopped making makeup looks because I feel that you guys aren't interested in watching makeup looks, so that's why I stopped doing makeup looks. But if you'll be interested, make sure you let me know. I'll make more such content. Now I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye. Love you.